Ever wondered how to make a delicious and special cheesecake with strawberry and blueberry topping? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making just that. For our cheesecake, we're going to need graham cracker crumbs, unsalted butter, cream cheese, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and large eggs. For our vibrant berry topping, we'll need fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries, strawberry jam, blueberry jam, and a touch of lemon juice. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating this delightful dessert. Now that we've gathered all the ingredients, it's time to start baking. First, we're going to start with our graham cracker crust. Imagine a bowl filled with the sweet, crumbly goodness of graham crackers, kissed with a generous helping of melted butter. We mix this delightful duo until it resembles damp sand. This mixture is then pressed firmly into the base of our 9-inch springform pan, forming the foundation of our cheesecake. Into the oven it goes for a quick 10-minute bake. The result? A beautifully baked crust. With our crust cooling, we can now move on to the creamy filling. Now for the heart of our cheesecake, the cream cheese filling. Let's grab a large bowl and beat the softened cream cheese until it's as smooth as silk. Next, we'll stir in a cup of granulated sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, making sure everything's well combined. Then, we'll add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. The goal is a creamy, dreamy mixture that's ready to become the star of our cheesecake. Our filling is ready. It's time to pour it over our cooled crust. The oven is hot and our cheesecake is ready to bake. Slide the pan into a preheated oven set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let it bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is set. It might still wobble a bit, but don't worry. It will firm up as it cools. Speaking of cooling, once it's baked, let's give it some time to cool down completely in the pan. While our cheesecake cools, let's prepare our berry topping. Our cheesecake wouldn't be complete without our strawberry and blueberry topping. Let's bring together the vibrant flavors of fresh strawberries and blueberries with their respective jams. Start by warming up the strawberry and blueberry jams with a splash of lemon juice for about 20 seconds each in the microwave. This makes them easier to spread. Then, paint half of our cooled cheesecake with the strawberry jam mixture and the other half with the blueberry jam. Arrange the fresh berries on their corresponding sides. Our cheesecake is almost ready. All that's left is to chill and serve. The final step is to chill our cheesecake and then serve it. To do this, just pop the cheesecake into the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. If you have the time, leaving it overnight really allows the flavors to meld together. When it's thoroughly chilled, gently release the cheesecake from the springform pan. Now, you're ready to slice into this beauty and serve. Each bite is a perfect balance of creamy cheesecake and sweetly tart berries. And there you have it, a delicious cheesecake with strawberry and blueberry topping. Enjoy.